Hey guys, Elliot here from Microworkshops. Just going to show you hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts, and I'm going to show you how we do it and why. So I'm going to start with how. So how we do it is we come up here, we go to customize, and we go to keyboard. Now you're going to see here's all of the commands, there's loads, and here's the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut that you can associate with the command. So let's say in this case we want to make a sketch line, a hotkey. So instead of scrolling through this super long list of commands, you can just type it in here. So you'd say line, and then we find the sketch lines, the tools, sketch entities line. So we put L for line, and we say OK. Sorry, you don't enter, you just say L for line, you say OK, and that's it. Now L is your hotkey for line. So now that we know how, let's talk about why. So hotkeys can speed up your modeling by 2 or 3 times, totally roughly speaking, if you're using them efficiently. So let's look at using that line in the normal way, not using hotkeys. So let's go to top plane, and we're going to come up here where we normally would, and we just click on it, and now we started our sketch. And now if we're going to do it like a really long way to insert the line, we might do it via our tools. We go to sketch entities and then line, or vice versa here, and then we draw our line. Now if we were going to do that with hotkeys, we could do that much quicker. So let's just exit out of this sketch and do that again, but with hotkeys. So we go to top plane, and we go to sketch, and we press L for line on our keyboard. It's L, just press L, and then you draw your line and you exit. So loads quicker. So now let me just show you quickly my hotkey list. Maybe you can copy it. It's very useful for general modeling. So take a screenshot of what you can see there, and unfortunately you do have to manually add them. You can't import the list in your hotkeys command manager. So here there's no import list, but yeah, you just manually select it the way that I showed you. So now let me just give you a quick look at how I might use all of my hotkeys to do things really quickly. So if I wanted to do sketching, I could go start sketch my top plane, and I might want to make a circle, so just X on my keyboard, and the circle comes out. Or I might want to just L for line, select. I might want to do center line, I. I might want to trim something, or I might want to mirror something, so T for trim or M for mirror. So it really speeds things up, so I'm not constantly going back and forth up to my sketch tabs up here. And now really quickly, I just want to show you some other sort of commands which I have, which are really good. So sort of viewing commands are really useful. So you might want to hide this body, so I just press tab on my keyboard, and it hides away. On Control Z to undo it and bring it back. I might want to look at it in a see-through view, which is Control \\. I might want to bring that back to shaded view, which is Shift \\. I might want to fillet an edge, so I just press F for fillet, and that automatically selects my command manager here. So there's just an infinite amount of ways that you can use hotkeys to speed up your modeling. So yeah, like and subscribe. Cheers.